Hi, Matt Omshank with Signature Window Cleaning. Today we're just going to show you how we clean the screens with a product called Speedy Screen. First you start by just taking the screens off the window. Now I like to stack them back to back to get the full effect of the Speedy Screen. You just simply take the Speedy Screen and spray it on all over the screen, real thoroughly, back and forth, and then again up and down, just real quick, on both sides. Once you're done with that, you take the one screen, set it aside. We take a 14-inch strip washer and literally just buff in the product to give it a nice even coating. All the way down to the bottom, back and forth along the frames. This also cleans the frame very, very nicely. And then the back side of the screen as well. And because we set the screens back to back, the blow through of product actually hits this side, and since we're taking the strip washer to this side, we can even all that product out nicely. Once more, just in the opposite direction, just to make sure we get in between all those fiber mesh. And we can set that one in front of the window. Repeat the process, back and forth, all the way up and down the screen. Catch the frame of the screen as well. Looks pretty good. Again on the back side of the screen. Getting in those corners with the 14-inch strip washer. We use the 14-inch strip washer mainly because it does a better job of covering the screen. The 10-inch just took too long, and the 18-inch, there was too much pressure in the middle. It would leave a gap in the middle. And we'll go over the front one more time. Whatever the product the screen doesn't absorb, it'll just dry, blotch free. Now we're just going to simply put the screen back up on the window, tighten the thumb twist, tighten the thumb twist, and just like that, you have two clean screens. How long did that take? Pretty simple process. Thanks for watching.